Okay, so I'm all finished here. I've got the new springs on. There's pieces of the old broken ones there. But I've got everything tightened, greased, adjusted. That's greased there in the rail. And I just want to show everyone, this is what a balanced door should feel like. So I'm going to pull the cord here. The door's on manual. And, geez, my hand's dirty. Anyway, so I've got one hand on the camera, one hand on the door. Actually, just use one finger. So these springs are perfect for this door. So, see it's on the ground right now. I'm going to lift up here with one finger. The door stops halfway. It's on manual right now. It's nice and balanced. One finger. Back down again. Two fingers actually. And that's it. See you next time.